This is the Toyota Tacoma brand bed mat. This is for my 2011 Tacoma, and the part number on here is the PT 580 350-50-LB. The LB is long bed. If it's the SB, then it's the short bed. And we're going to put it in here in the back. This is just a hard plastic, so you put tools back in here and it pretty much just slides around. So we're going to throw this bed mat back in here to keep things from sliding around. So we'll get the bed mat pulled out. It's all right. So here's the whole mat out, and this notch here where it's cut, that notch is cut out, that's for your swivel rings. So all we got to do now is spin it around. This is the bottom. It's kind of textured for grip on the floor of the bed. So we'll just flip this around and get it up in place. And it's now in the truck. Perfect fit from the front of the bed all the way around the wheel wells, and of course notched. It's got a little bit of a bow to it, but we're about to put some tools and stuff in here to go over and do some work. So that'll flatten out pretty quick, but great product, very heavy duty, nice and thick. It's got little bumps on the bottom to keep it from sliding around on the actual bed itself. You can't really move around in this one because it's got the wheel wells, and because it's the long bed, it's got the little edges that go out on both sides here where it's notched. Apparently the short bed doesn't have that, so you got to watch out if you're pulling anything out of the short bed, because the top doesn't have the notches, so this whole thing can just slide out if you pull something out. But just want to do a quick review on this product. Just picked it up, actually bought it on Amazon, and it was $145 with tax on Amazon, but I got it through a Toyota dealership for $72.45 and ended up adding a oil filter for my 07 Avalon so that I could get the free shipping if you purchase over $75. So I've got links in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and hope you have a good rest of the day.